Zia Nicky's house. She's also a Nonna. Hi, Zia.
Hi.
She's my mom's sister, baby sister. And this is Cindy, her daughter. Hi, Cindy, my cousin. And Zia, what are we making today?
Amaretti cookies.
My mom, your sister, wants to know the recipes. That's why I'm here today.
Okay, so if you want, you could
Okay, so we're gonna watch her step by step doing this.
Okay, so we're gonna have 4 eggs.
4 eggs. Okay, we got the eggs right here.
4 eggs.
So 2 already. 3.
4 eggs.
Okay.
Okay, then we have 2 cups of sugar.
And who showed you this recipe?
A friend of mine gave it to me.
A friend of yours?
Yeah.
Italian friend?
Yeah. So 2 cups.
2 cups, a little bit less than 2 cups.
It calls for 2 cups, but I put just a little bit less. Yeah, it's about right. Okay.
Yeah.
What I do, I measure everything and put them on the side because then I go in order. We need 5 cups of almond.
Oh, where did you get this almond?
At the store.
They come like this?
They come like this, but I did my own today.
How did you do yours?
My friend, she has a machine that we graded.
Oh, okay, you graded. But you can find it graded in the
already.
store.
It's more money. Costs more money. So it's going to be like 5 cups.
5 cups. Okay, that's how many right there?
That's 4. 2.
Okay, 1 more cup.
1 more cup. And then at the end, sometimes depends the size of the eggs. You might have to add a little bit more.
Oh, okay, what size are these eggs?
They're large, the larger eggs.
Okay.
So that's 5 cups of that. I measured and I put it there. Because once I did it with my daughter here, and I forgot to put the baking powder. So now I learned to put everything in front of me so I don't miss anything. And a bottle of almond extract.
The whole bottle?
Yeah.
How many ounces is this? 45 milliliters. 43 milliliters.
One of those.
One of these. Okay.
So it's 4 eggs.
We got 4 eggs.
2 cups of sugar.
2 cups of sugar.
5 cups of almonds.
5 cups of almonds.
Baking powder.
Baking powder.
And small bottle of that. Okay. Gonna beat the eggs a little bit.
Gonna beat the eggs a little bit.
Slightly. Then you're gonna throw your sugar. Very easy. Throw your sugar. Then you're gonna throw your almond extract. I'll put the whole bottle. I don't know if you have to go that way. Then you start putting your almonds.
All of it or just a little bit?
A little bit at a time. Then I'm going to put half of my baking powder.
Okay.
Then the rest I'll put at the end. Just mix it up a little bit. Then you throw the rest of the baking powder.
Okay.
Because I'm going to do the chocolate ones. I'm going to put a little bit of cocoa to make it more chocolate, more dark. Yeah, because
how many? You're doing a tablespoon.
A tablespoon.
Yeah.
And then we're going to see how it looks. If you put a lot more, then it's going to be too dark. See, this is going to be needing more of the almonds because the eggs were a little bit big.
Oh, so you're going to add more?
I'm going to add just more, whatever it takes.
How do you know what consistency it needs to be at?
I'll show you.
Okay. Like right now, it seems it's really thick.
But you see all the liquid? You can't see any of that. Otherwise, it won't get.
Oh, really?
They won't stick together. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That's it. That's done.
Hi, Zia. Zia's very professional. When she cooks, she always wears a hairnet. So you don't ever worry about getting hair in any of your food when you eat at her house.
I'm afraid. I'm always afraid.
Okay.
Now we're gonna add a little bit more because.
Okay. Why? You need to show me this thing. I see a little like it's wet.
Yeah.
So you don't want it to be that wet.
No, I'll show you. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you wash your hands? Get out of here.
I didn't touch it. She's very clean. Okay, so how much more? Probably like...
We'll see. I'm gonna have to mix it. It's gotta be able to stick together because these have to roll and put them in icing sugar.
Oh.
So I'm gonna have to put a little bit more.
No wonder you say that your arm hurts because you do.
You have to. You need to. This is nothing. When I use the bag, it's more work. Okay, let's see.
Sometimes you don't have to add it?
No.
Okay.
Depends on sometimes on the eggs, right?
Oh, because the eggs were...
So you see how it was shiny before?
Yeah, it's not shiny anymore. Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't see that wetness in it.
Yeah, not wet. Otherwise, when you roll it, it won't stick together.
Okay.
Are you done with this?
Eh? Yeah. Okay, I think it's good.
Okay.
So now,
That'll take...
we'll go here. Put it at 350.
I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, look at the baking sheet.
This is parchment paper.
Parchment paper.
Yeah.
You're adding cold water in a bowl?
A little bit of cold water. But what I'm going to do, sometimes it gets very sticky. I just put a little dot of water.
And almond?
This is to put on, I'll show you to put on top.
Oh, look at this setup, guys. I love it.
Okay. All right. So, here we go. So what you do,
Yes.
you just grab a little bit,
Yeah.
you roll it
Like a meatball?
like a meatball, and you put it in the icing sugar.
Oh, this is icing sugar.
Yeah.
Powdered sugar or icing
Icing sugar.
Okay, what's the difference between powder and icing?
I really don't know.
Cindy, do you know the difference between powder and icing?
What does it say on there? Look at the bag. Icing sugar.
It is. It's called icing sugar.
That's icing sugar.
Oh, nice. Oh, and you put the cold water in your hand to make it smooth.
I just dip my finger like that and just put it in the middle here.
For why? So it doesn't stick.
So it doesn't stick.
Okay.
Otherwise, they're not gonna come smooth.
Yeah. You were also born in Castropignano.
Yes, I was.
With my mom.
Yeah.
And when did you move here? Because you don't have an accent. like her.
1962.
How old were you?
Oh shoot. 9?
9 years old?
Yeah.
How old was your mom?
My mom, I think, was 15.
That's why.
Yeah. How many grandkids do you have?
Me?
Yeah.
2. Two boys.
2 boys.
And I have 2 girls.
And 2 girls.
My girls, my
No,
kids.
2 daughters.
2 daughters.
Daughters.
2 boys.
So now what you do,
Yeah.
you roll them in the icing
Oh,
sugar.
you have to roll them like that too?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you give ample lots. Oh, yummy. Yummy. Okay. Yeah, they look easy to make. I can even make these.
Oh yeah, these are easy. Everybody goes crazy for these cookies. But the way I make them, they're nice and soft. And I don't like the hard ones.
Oh, it's
The
preheated.
stove's ready.
Stove's ready.
Stove's ready, so I'm gonna be ready too soon.
And how long do you cook them for?
10 minutes.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh my God, this is super easy.
Yeah.
Fast.
And add a little.
Here you go, almonds.
Oh. You do it by the tip first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
'Cause you don't
Show
want
me,
the-
do it slowly.
Okay. See the tip
Yeah.
goes down, push.
Perfect.
In the middle, push.
Pretty.
In the middle, push.
How much do they expand? How much bigger do they get?
Do they get a lot bigger?
They get bigger, yeah.
Bigger, but not
Yeah,
that
they
much
do.
Bigger.
They
so
will.
Leave space if you. I don't think they grow round more like a ball.
Yeah.
A little bit, but not too much larger.
You'll see in
Not like a chocolate.
you'll see in 10 minutes how the results.
Yeah.
Okay, ready to go. Oh, I need my timer. Go on top of the stove downstairs. Get me my timer,
I
Cindy.
got a timer right here on
Oh,
my
you
phone.
do? Oh, okay.
24.
10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay. So here we go. Put it in for 10
In the
minutes.
middle rack.
I got the timer on.
You put on the middle rack, okay?
Oh, the middle rack, okay.
Yeah, the
Let me
middle
see
rack.
The middle rack. Oh, okay. So not at the bottom.
So
and
10
not-
minutes?
10 minutes.
Make
Okay,
sure.
We got the timer on, 10 minutes. Okay, you guys, we got 3 more minutes left of cooking. And look, they do it. So how do you know when they're done?
10 minutes, you know.
Just 10 minutes,
Sometimes
that's all
I leave
you
it a little bit longer, these ones. Sometimes I leave it a little bit longer.
Okay, but you just know that 10 minutes,
yeah,
they're done.
10 minutes is done.
Because some people have different...
Depends on the stove, right?
Yeah, it depends on the stove.
That's right, you
why.
have to check. You have to check the bottom, see if they're...
Oh, what does the bottom have to look like?
It's a little bit brown,
Okay,
right?
so you'll show us.
Because really here, there's no flour, nothing. It's all almonds.
Oh, these are very expensive.
They're
cookies?
expensive, yeah.
Why? What makes them expensive?
The almonds.
The almonds are expensive.
That's what
Okay.
costs a lot of money,
That's
it's
what
the
costs
almonds.
them. And they come
Usually
grated
cost me
already?
$35 to do.
Really?
Yeah, that's just the almonds sometimes. Depends. If they're on special, it's... Otherwise, it's very expensive to make
And
them.
what machine do you use to grind them?
The grater.
The grater.
My friend's got like a grater.
An electric grater?
Yeah.
And so she uses that.
Yeah, we use
And
that.
is it a lot cheaper to do
Yeah,
this way? Okay, okay. With
For
the grater.
sure.
Okay.
It's half the price.
It's half the price, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, our timer's ringing,
Okay.
but she's still busy.
Just give me a few minutes. This could
Okay.
stay a little bit longer. Doesn't matter.
Okay, can stay a little bit longer.
Wait.
You guys, we got Nonna Paolone FaceTiming us. And look, we're gonna take them out. It's been 10 minutes now. Nonna.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Wow, they're so easy to make.
Wow.
Here we go. One out and another one in. Look, Ma, what do you think?
Quando spalla? Quando spalla, Stefan?
Look at this, guys. So pretty. Okay, so how do you know when they're cooked?
See, look at the bottom. Look, see the brown?
Oh, okay. This is our third batch, and this one's been in there for about 12 minutes. So anything from 10 to 12 minutes, right?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
They haven't been finished while you're decorating this.
They can't go on top of each other because when they're hot, they're gonna get really, really soft.
Okay. Pretty.
Okay, here's my amarettis.
There they are. Look how good they look. I can't wait to serve them tomorrow at my Club Castropignano meeting. They're gonna love it. Thank you, Zia.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Okay, guys. I'm at the Club Castropignano meeting, and I brought these cookies for you guys to try.
That's amazing!
There we go, guys.
Whoa, I want
One, only one each.
Okay, I already touched this one.
My aunt,
I
Zia
already
Nicky.
touched this.
You did? Zia Nicky. Yes, guys. Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you, Nicky.
Yes, thank you.
Wow.
Go for it.
Joe, you probably had them before. You're not alive.
I'll have another one. I didn't know she
Cheese.
could bake.
Take two. And one for your wife, too. Tony, president of Club Castropignano right there. Enjoy, guys. How do you like it? Are they good?